Hydroponics represents a departure from traditional soil-based cultivation, offering numerous benefits that extend beyond the confines of conventional farming practices. By optimizing nutrient delivery, water management, and environmental conditions, hydroponic systems empower growers to achieve remarkable results in terms of yield, growth speed, and crop quality. In this exploration of the best hydroponic systems, we will examine a range of approaches, from the simplicity of Kratky systems to the sophistication of aeroponics and deep water culture setups. Each system has its own set of advantages and challenges, allowing growers to select the method that aligns with their specific goals and resources. Number 1. iDOO Hydroponics Growing System. When it comes to design, the iDOO Hydroponics Growing System is a real head-turner. It features a modern black plastic construction that not only looks great but also blends seamlessly with any interior decor. The 12-pod hydroponic planter is neatly organized, giving your plants enough space to thrive. The quality of this system is top-notch. It's clear that iDOO has invested in creating a robust, long-lasting product. The plastic used feels durable, and the system is well constructed. You can tell that they've thought through the design to ensure it's both functional and visually appealing. One standout feature of this hydroponic system is its ability to speed up plant growth by a whopping 20% compared to traditional soil planting methods. It achieves this through its integrated low-noise pump and upper fan, which work together to aerate the water and simulate natural outdoor breezes. This creates optimal conditions for your plants to flourish. The smart growing modes are a game changer. The 22-watt LED light automatically adjusts to simulate sunlight, promoting photosynthesis in any weather. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or fruit, this system has you covered with different light modes tailored to each stage of plant growth. Additionally, the hydroponics system incorporates a breeze and water cycle mode, mimicking natural pollination and ensuring your plants get the oxygen they need for robust root growth. The large 4.5L water tank allows your plant roots to stretch out and thrive for up to 2 weeks, and a handy visual window lets you keep an eye on water levels. Pros: 20% faster plant growth, smart LED light modes, natural breeze and water cycle simulation, easy setup, stylish design, ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts. Cons: requires regular maintenance. Number 2. Hydroponics Growing System. The Hydroponics Growing System is an innovative 12-pod indoor garden designed to bring the best of nature into your home. It leverages modern technology to ensure your plants get the best conditions for growth, even if you lack the proverbial green thumb. If you've ever thought of cultivating fresh veggies, herbs, or flowers year-round, this might just be the tool for you. Equipped with the latest SMD LED technology, this system ensures your plants receive optimal light for photosynthesis. The result? Plants that grow 5x faster. Even in winter or low-light apartments, the full-spectrum light facilitates healthy growth. One of the standout features is the self-sufficiency of the system. Just one fill can sustain growth for up to 18 days, thanks to its unique tank design and nutrient formula. Whether you're growing tall sunflowers or short herbs, the adjustable height ensures your plants have room to thrive. Pros: efficient full-spectrum SMD LED technology, quiet auto water circulation system, long-lasting water tank, adjustable height for varied cultivation. Cons: initial setup might be intimidating for newbies. Number 3. VIVOSUN Hydroponics Growing System. The VIVOSUN Hydroponics Growing System is constructed from high-quality polyvinyl chloride, PVC, known for its durability and resistance to environmental elements. The system boasts a clean and traditional white design that seamlessly fits into any gardening space. Whether you're setting it up indoors or outdoors, the use of food-grade PVCU pipes, each measuring 31.1 inches in length with 108 planting sites, ensures that your plants receive the utmost care. These pipes are not only sturdy but also safe for your leafy vegetables and plants, guaranteeing their well-being. The attention to detail in the design is evident, making assembly a breeze even for beginners. The standout feature of this hydroponic system is its ability to deliver both high yield and quality. By using a nutrient film for soilless cultivation, it maximizes crop production potential while conserving water and space. In fact, it's astonishing how this system can double your yield compared to traditional soil cultivation while being eco-friendly. One of the most user-friendly aspects of the VIVOSUN system is its built-in timer-controlled circulation system. The default setting allows the water pump to work for 5 minutes every 30 minutes, following the nutrient film technique. You can also customize the circulation mode to meet your specific needs. This not only extends the life of the pump and saves nutrient solution but also ensures your vegetables thrive. Pros: high yield and quality, timer-controlled circulation system, easy assembly and use. durable PVCU pipes, wide applicability. Cons, limited to leafy vegetables and plants. Number 4. Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Indoor gardening has taken a significant leap forward with the Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Whether you're a budding gardener or have a seasoned green thumb, this product promises to redefine your indoor planting experience, with a promise to grow plants up to 300% faster than traditional soil planting. This system integrates a modern aeroponic setup with powerful LED grow lights to create a nurturing environment for your herbs, veggies, and even flowers. The AeroGarden hydroponics setup ensures that plants get the perfect balance of water, light, and nutrients. This combined with the overhead LED grow light means that your plants grow healthier and 3 times faster than in soil. It's as simple as adding the seeds, water, and nutrients and watching the magic happen. With 10 pods, it gives the grower ample space to cultivate a variety of plants. What's more, the transparent water level window ensures you never have to guess when to refill the water. With 2 light modes, one for vegetables and one for flowers and fruits, it caters to a broad spectrum of plants. This means you're not just limited to growing herbs, you can diversify and grow flowers and fruits too. No more worrying about plants outgrowing their space. The light post can be adjusted up to 14.5 inches, accommodating plants that grow up to 15.3 inches. Plus, with a built-in timer, you're free from the task of remembering to turn off the light. Pros: fast and efficient growth, modern design that fits any interior, dual light modes for versatility, user-friendly with an adjustable height feature. Cons: made of plastic. Number 5. AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Garden. The AeroGarden Bounty Basic boasts a sleek and modern design in a stylish black color. Its compact dimensions of 16 by 6 by 8 inches make it perfect for small spaces, such as kitchens, offices, or apartments. The unit feels sturdy and well-built, reassuring me of its quality. The 30W LED grow light, a pivotal component of this indoor garden, exudes a soft, natural glow that complements any room's ambience without being obtrusive. The 30W LED grow light is a game-changer. It delivers the full spectrum of light that plants need for photosynthesis, resulting in growth rates up to 5 times faster than traditional soil-based gardening. This means you'll be enjoying your homegrown herbs and veggies in no time, and it's perfect for impatient gardeners like me. The touchscreen control panel is user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily set the automatic lighting timer, which eliminates the guesswork from caring for your plants. Plus, the vacation mode ensures your plants stay healthy even when you're away. It's like having a personal gardener without the hassle. The adjustable grow height of up to 24 inches is a thoughtful touch. It accommodates the growth of a wide variety of plants, from compact herbs to taller flowers. The large water bowl and grow deck make watering a breeze and minimize maintenance efforts. Pros: quick and efficient plant growth, user-friendly touchscreen control panel, compact design. Adjustable grow height includes a variety of herb seed pods. Cons: initial cost might be higher,